Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to put quick disconnects on a pressure washer hose. This is a Troy-built pressure washer. The main reason for doing this, if your hose has the screw-on type fittings, to prevent wear on the threads and on the O-rings that are on the inside of these, mainly for draining the pump, taking it on and off all the time. Here's what you need, and these are from Precision Fit. You're going to need an A10, A11, A13, and an A14. I'm going to start with the pump side first, and for that you're going to need the A11. The only other thing you need is some silicone grease just to put on the inside to lube the O-rings up so they go on nice. And I got these fittings at Lowe's, by the way. I just want to take just a liberal amount of grease and just put it on the inside of it. All you gotta do is screw it on. It just has to be snug because the O-rings are going to seal it up anyway. And for the next one, you're going to need an A13. And this is for the end of the hose that plugs into the pump. Now for the next end, you're going to need an A10. This is for the hose end that plugs into the spray wand. And finally the A14 to go onto the spray wand. Here it is, finished. And now you can take the hose off when you need to. So I hope this video was helpful to you. So if you have any questions, comments, please leave them below, and thanks for watching.